Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to showcase our latest innovation, a customized shape LED display screen. This unique display allows for endless creative possibilities, perfect for dynamic and eye-catching presentations. Our LED screen isn't confined to traditional rectangular shapes. Instead, it can be tailored to fit any design or space, making it ideal for retail displays, events, art installations, and more. The high-resolution LEDs ensure stunning clarity and vibrant colors, no matter the shape. Installation is a breeze, and our screens are built to last with durable materials and advanced technology. Whether you're looking to create a futuristic setup or a themed display, our customized shape LED screen can bring your vision to life. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the features, setup process, and potential applications of this amazing technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.